kids need to learn discipline.
Kids need to be fixed. Fixed from what?
It's gonna be like basic training, like an army.
He told my dad that he'll toughen me up.
When we're talking about bad behavior, we cannot just focus on the children.
A one-size-fits-all solution, it just doesn't exist.
I thought, how bad can it really be?
There was no medication, no detox process.
Discipline was always harsh and it always.
This was basically the last time I saw my son, Alfie.
You don't behave, you get punishment.
He would start drinking the Kool-Aid.
And what was the Kool-Aid? Pleasing the pastor. Same as any cult.
The police told him, lay down because we will shoot you.
Raymond got the words out, I'm not doing this to myself.
Someone's either going to end up dead or they're going to end up in jail.